Lauderbrunnen is a place often referred to as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls. Hidden away in this surreal valley is one of the best waterfalls in Switzerland. Trummelbach-Falls.
I suggest we do is go check out the waterfalls. That is a must. It's called Trummelbach-Falls. We go to the top, then you get off. You have more stairs. You got some stairs, and then you go through the mountain, and you're going through, and you're going up. You did not really have like a way you can stand and just look down to see the water rushing.
Trummelbach is the largest underground waterfall in Europe. Actually, it's made up of 10 separate waterfalls. The only underground waterfall in the world easily accessible to the public.
And I was like, oh my God, there's so much. And the water right there, and you feel it. The water is splashing all over you. And you do some more walking up and down, and you stop again, so stop one way, and it's like, water's like, look, it's like pouring. Water. You know, worth the visit. I hope to see you here in Switzerland.
Brought to you by Hands-On Travel. Know before you go. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.